we're exploring the amazing realm of light today. Light is all around us and is essential to how we conduct our daily lives. We'll look at what light is, how it functions, and some amazing ways it may be used in this video. So, let's get going. We must first realize that light is an example of electromagnetic radiation in order to comprehend it. It is made up of little photons that move in waves. We can observe the environment around us thanks to the energy carried by these waves. One of the fastest things in the universe, light moves at an astounding speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second. But what's even more fascinating is how light behaves when it comes into contact with various objects. The capacity to reflect is one of light's basic characteristics. When light strikes an object, it may reflect back, giving us a glimpse of it. We can see ourselves in mirrors and the wider world because of this. Another remarkable characteristic of light is refraction. Light changes direction when it travels through a material like glass or water. The bending of light waves and production of breathtaking optical illusions are caused by this phenomenon. Let's now discuss one of light's most alluring features, color. Why do objects have distinct color may be a mystery to you. Well, it all depends on how they respond to light. Certain wavelengths of light are absorbed when they strike an object, whereas they reflect others. The color that we see determined by the wavelengths that are reflected. For instance, a red object appears red because it absorbs other colors of light while reflecting red light. Bear in mind that not all wavelengths are visible to the human eye. Wavelengths of light vary from 0.00001 nanometers to 1,000 meters. How much as a percentage of this do you think we can actually see? We can only see 0.0035% of all light. The range of wavelengths visible to human eyes ranges from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. Any wavelength longer or shorter than this is completely invisible to human eye. Wonder how much we're missing on? I will shed light on this in my next video. For now, let's see what color theory is. Color theory is the study of colors and how they interact. This information is used by designers, marketers, and artists to convey particular feelings and produce visually appealing compositions. For example, warm color like blue, green, and purple are found to trigger the feelings of calmness and sadness, and colors like red and yellow trigger emotions of anger and passion. After going through the fundamentals of light, let's look at some amazing uses for it that have revolutionized a variety of industries. Light therapy has a long history of success in the medical field. It entails the use of particular light wavelengths to treat a variety of illnesses, ranging from depression to skin ailments. Light therapy is non-invasive and can significantly improve a patient's quality of life. Additionally, light is vital in the discipline of renewable power. Solar panels use the energy of the sun rays to generate electricity. This green and renewable energy source is getting popularity all over the world. Let's not overlook the breathtaking fields of photography and filmmaking. Light is captured by cameras, which then turn it into breathtaking visuals. Images that are compelling and powerful are produced via the use of composition, light manipulation, and shadow play. Finally, the most amazing thing about light can help us see the past. Once light interacts with any surface, it saves its characteristics within itself. Just like in the camera. Since light always travels in a straight line and doesn't lose any energy unless it interacts with another object or denser medium, it always remembers the characteristics of the object it interacted with. Now, what if I told you you are already seeing past with the help of light? Impossible, right? Well, since it takes 8 minutes for light to travel from sun to earth, you are already seeing in the past. When you glance towards the sun, you are seeing 8 minutes in the past. Similarly, when you look at the moon, you are seeing it 1.3 seconds in the past. If an explosion were to happen on the sun, it would take 8 minutes for you to notice it. Creepy, right? Now, imagine a beam of light which interacted with Earth 2 years ago, The beam of light is wandering in the cosmos, keeping the secret of Earth 2 years ago. If you are to observe that beam of light, you would see Earth 2 years back. How amazing, right? There you have it. An impression of the amazing realm of light